In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell Trump or Elon meme coins with your crypto app. So the requirements for this video are that you are installed and logged into a crypto app, that you have an account that is all set up, and that you of course have Trump or Elon meme coins to sell. And if you don't have one of them yet and you still want to know how to sell them, then this video is still for you. So what you're going to do when you want to sell one of these coins, then you can just click on the coin you're having right now. And in my case, I have a 47th coin, but if you have an Elon coin, this will just be exactly the same process. So what you're going to do is you click on the coin, and in here you are clicking on swap because you want to swap this meme coin into some other currency. So click on swap. In here you see that it's saying that we are going to pay and receive 47th. So pay with Solana, receive 47 Trump coin. This is not right. So we need to click on the change icon in the middle. And now we are going to pay in Trump meme coin and we are going to receive Solana. And of course, when you have an Elon coin, you need to have this like paying with an Elon coin and receiving, for example, Solana or any other currency you want. And let's say we want to sell 10 of these 47 coin. This is what we're going to receive. There's also fees included. And when we want to make it final, the selling, then we click on swap now at the bottom. And as you can see, that this swap is now filled because my slippage is too low for this swap. So I basically need to increase my slippage. So let's do that. Let's make it a little bit more. And now we click on swap now. And now you can see that it is being swapped. It will be deposited into my wallet once it is complete. This can take a little while, but when you see this screen, when you are above the slippage requirements, then everything will be fine. I can close this now and everything will be made final. And if it doesn't work, you need to try it again and just be sure that you comply with everything that your crypto app is asking you to do, that you are above a certain threshold, because when you are wanting to sell too low or too less coins, then sometimes it cannot work. So if you have any problems, please let me know in the comments, and I see you in the next one.